Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on MATIC, or Polygon rather, not MATIC, that was the old name, even though they still call it MATIC on TradingView here, but yeah, it's the Polygon chart, and the Polygon chart is still in support. Yeah, you could say it's still holding support. We're still holding upper micro support that we talked about here a few days ago. I mean, I was kind of disappointed when I was like late yesterday, I just thought, well, which other coin, could we look at? And oh boy, Polygon wasn't a wave 4 support area. So with Bitcoin going higher, hopefully we have that fifth wave, and then you open the chart and you see that, it's still dancing. It's still dancing above that 38.2 retracement there. I mean, support is still holding, don't get me wrong, but Bitcoin pushed higher yesterday. It's pushing higher right now. And there's just literally no momentum. I mean, is it frozen? I don't know. Is this the real chart? It's not doing much. And unfortunately, yeah, Polygon chart has not performed well over recent months. And therefore, I highlighted to you that I'm not bullish really on this chart until we really see all 5 waves completed. That being said, I'm not talking about these 5 waves. I'm actually talking about the 5 waves on the larger time frame. So looking at the long-term chart for Polygon, I want to see a break above resistance and 5 waves completed in circle wave 1. And that is 5 waves on the smaller time frame, which would be wave 1 of circle wave 1, then a higher low. I mean, you can trade that if you want to. If we get a 1-2 setup on the smaller time frame, by all means. But really, as a confirmation that we're heading to new all-time highs, I need all 5 waves. Then the corrective pullback in wave 2. And if you say now that that's going to take a long time, it does. Then there's a lot of work that this chart needs to do to turn bullish again. So this is what we would like to see, but I'm not expecting that as such. Okay, I just highlight, look, okay, we have 3 waves up from the low, we are in resistance. Nothing super exciting yet, but obviously it could become something as long as the market holds 21.7 cents and forms one more high. We at least have a good start. That means one more high. If that actually happens from here, the condition is we're holding 21.7 cents to keep the idea of a local upside impulse from the April low alive. That next move up should take us to round about 28.3 cents, maybe 30 cents, yeah. And then a corrective pullback in wave 2 could be a setup. Could be a setup, but we've got that larger resistance area which could slow it down. So either way, with 5 waves up, we at least have a good start. And that next move up, yeah, normally, when the third wave gets to the 138% extension, then the fifth wave should get to sort of the 178.6, maybe even sometimes the 200% extension. So we talk about 28.3 to 30 cents for the next movement to the upside. When we get 5 waves up, then I will watch for the wave 2 pullback, for which I will provide support when the time is right. And then we can actually expect a higher low to form. At the moment, we can't expect it because we don't even have 5 waves up. So it's a bit of a waiting game, watching and seeing. I mean, even if we want to trade that short term, you can do that, but I would find the Bitcoin chart is much clearer, right? Because Bitcoin on the nano level is also probably extending once more, as I said in Bitcoin video today. But there's no movement literally here on the Polygon chart. I'm just wondering if this chart is actually frozen. But nah, it's not. It's just not doing much. So I'll keep you updated. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.